All right, JC, it's been a wild week of Oklahoma weather.
It really has, and thankfully I know the clouds have kind of let up today, but Jordan, what can you tell us about, later on?
Yeah, we've got some rain on the way. In fact, we've got another series of flood watches and flash flood watches that have been issued for portions of the state. We have a flash flood watch for the eastern part of the state. For Norman, just have a flood watch for now. So again, second week in a row, and we're dealing with flood watches coming up for the weekend. So temperatures right now, though, warm front is moving through. We can see the difference, 68 degrees compared to 74 degrees. So that warm air is starting to move in, and that's going to be setting the stage for some stormy weather coming tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. So the clouds are going to be sticking around. We're going to have a wet weekend ahead and some flooding possible and maybe some severe weather. I'll have all the details coming up, but for now, back to you guys. Welcome back to OU Nightly. I'm Jordan. Over to look at your weather. So right now you're looking at a live look at the Norman Music Festival. Again, we're set up for that. It opens at 6 o'clock tonight. And your forecast for that's not looking too bad. Looking at the 60s for tonight, I've got 20% chance mainly for a few passing showers, but it should not be a big deal. Again, sunny skies right now. Those clouds will be increasing as we go through then. And for tomorrow night, that's going to be the best chance for rain. So 60% chance of rain for Friday night. And then Saturday, an even better chance for rain, 80% chance of rain on Saturday night with temperatures inside the 60s. So really, honestly, the best chance to see the Norman Music Festival is going to be tonight because it's going to be wet as we go into Friday and into Saturday. Right now, though, our system is approaching. You can see the rain starting to come around it. That's going to be impacting us tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. A multiple day system. Biggest concern with this is going to be some very heavy rain. So there's a front moves through. What it kind of does is it basically kind of stalls out in southeastern Oklahoma. And then we get to tomorrow afternoon, we get these storms start to develop. So there it is. There's a chance for rain around 10 o'clock tomorrow night in Norman, where we could see our first round of what will be mini rounds of rain as we go through the weekend. And then we get to Saturday, this whole system just continues. There it is. On Saturday, more rain, more and more rain all across all of the entire state, even some snow. That snow is going to move into the Panhandle. The Panhandle could see maybe 3 to 5 inches of snow on Sunday. So just a very strong late April, early May system moving through. That's Saturday. Then we get to Sunday. It just keeps on pushing off. And there's the wraparound rain that we'll see on Sunday. But notice the strong northwest winds behind it. Highs on Sunday, 53 degrees. Very, very chilly for Sunday afternoon. It's going to be very, very chilly on Sunday afternoon thanks to that cold air moving into the state on Sunday afternoon. Now, biggest question is severe weather. What's the chances here? Best chance is going to be southeast of Oklahoma City. That's where I think the best chance for severe weather will be. So Norman, we have to keep an eye on it mainly for tomorrow. But other than that, we should be pretty good. Now, but the biggest issue here, other than the severe weather, is definitely the rainfall. Look at this, 3 inches of rain possible in Norman, 4 inches in McAllister, and almost 6 inches in Muskogee. That's definitely a possibility in eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. They could see a lot of rain. The flooding issues could be a very big deal. Now, on Sunday morning, if you're planning to go to the marathon, it is going to be wet, as it seems like it always is every year. So rain, and it's also going to be pretty chilly inside the 40s for the marathon on Sunday morning. Then we extend the forecast out. That system moves off by Sunday. Get a break for Monday and Tuesday before next system comes in Wednesday and Thursday of next week.
Wow, all I can say is I'm very glad I'm not going home this weekend, considering it's going to snow.
It's going to be wet.
Thank you, Jordan.
Oh, well, she kind of mentioned the rain, but would you like to talk more about how that's going to continue?
Yeah, so the wind, it is pretty windy out there, as we just saw, and that will continue for the rest of the evening, and the clouds will also be on the increase. So it's sunny now. The clouds will be increasing. Very slight chance for a passing shower, maybe later, maybe after 7 o'clock. Not that big of a deal, really. It's the best night of all 3.
Yeah, it was like, so go tonight, right? Just don't even worry about the rest of the weekend.
There you go.
We also have a programming note for you. Tonight at 7 right here on OU TV will be a panel discussion over fake news. Be sure to tune in.
Right, so thank you for watching OU Nightly. Be sure to join us tomorrow at 4:30.
Thank you for joining us.
Have a great evening.
Good night.